You can kind of see through the box, and I'm already super excited for it.
What is up, you guys? So welcome back to the channel. First things first, some of you guys wanted to support me, so I opened up a Teespring, like a shirt shop and some other swag. Check it out, link in the description if you guys do want to support the channel. Huge thank you to all you guys who have already. Anyway, so 6 months ago, I ordered an electric motorcycle. It's an electric sport bike, and I was super excited, and we're gonna unbox it today. I literally just came back from San Francisco, showered because I haven't showered for 2 days, and we'll get to that next video. It was an awful trip. Lots of kinks that I had to work out, and not very much fun. Don't ever buy a bike like this, please. In the CX500 time-lapse video, those of you who stuck around to the end and kind of watched most of the video, I mentioned something that I had like a huge plan, a big build coming up. This is it. This is it. I bought this thing 6 months ago, and it's finally here. Today we're unboxing it, and it's electric sport bike. I'm so stoked. So let's get to it. I'm super excited.
And Young Swag, you ready?
Ready.
Dang, okay. Wow. Coffee and a knife, and a backwards hat. That's Young Swag. Let's do it. I'm already getting kind of excited for it.
Dude, it's matte black.
I know, it's matte black. This is awesome.
Oh, it's got foot pegs on
It
it.
looks really nice too. Not bad. Not bad.
It's got a center stand.
It does have a center stand, yeah. And apparently there's storage in here. I don't know. That's what they told me. We'll see. All right, let's get this thing all the way out. You excited?
I'm excited.
It looks pretty cool, huh? So this is what you guys can expect if you decide to stupidly buy one of these on your own. It's not fun buying one of these things, but this looks pretty sweet, so I'm excited. Look at these keys, dude. They have like alarms, like unlock, lock. Let's see if they work. Oh gosh. Yeah, it works. That's pretty crazy though. This bike comes with an alarm system, and it actually looks pretty high quality. Check it out. You got dual disc brakes in front, and this kickstand. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, stop
Unlock it.
I just did. What did I just do?
Lock and unlock it. Oh my gosh.
I don't know what I'm doing. But this has an alarm. It's a proximity sensor, so if I touch it, it goes off. I don't want to do it though. Anyway, we're gonna keep unbolting this thing. What do you think?
I think it's cool.
Yeah. How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy.
Not that heavy. Dang, guys, look at this.
Let's start
Really not bad. So we need to, yeah, we need to get all the plastic wrap off. We already cut some things loose. During shipping there, they did scuff it a little bit, but no big deal.
This was all like against
Yeah, they
it.
had to compress the handlebars, and since these are clip-ons, they can like fold them in. And they did, and it rubbed against here during shipping, so. But not a big deal. It's a matte black, so it won't be that hard to fix. But it really looks like a pretty nice bike. It's well put together. And this is like peeling off a new screen protector from like a new iPhone or something. Oh yeah. It's like my birthday already. It's like Christmas morning. All right, so we just gave it a fresh wash, and it's looking pretty nice. It's looking pretty sweet. I'm super excited. So we're unboxing like the little boxes. She just found the charger. Yep, there's the charger for it. And the charging port on this model is right there. We also found some mirrors that are in here. There weren't any mirrors on the bike. I can imagine just because they stick out the side too far and they would have broken off during shipping. But we got some mirrors. Oh yeah, those look pretty nice. Little big for my taste, but they're mirrors. And it is the common mount like any other sport bike. The FZ6 had the same 2-bolt kind of style mirrors. If I do want to change them out, I can. Okay. Kind of nervous, and I hope this thing doesn't set off an alarm on me. This is the display that I'm seeing right here. I'm still trying to figure out the controls. Looks like it's the same over here as a normal bike. We have a start button here, and I have the key on. I didn't push the start button. You also have a kill switch. So I'm assuming I need to turn the key on and start it like any normal bike, and then it has power. It also has a high beam. Let's see what it does. Okay, so those are high beams. Oh, the headlights aren't on because the bike's not on. But then it also has a, oh, there we go. Okay, so go in front. So it also has like a high beam, like a pass or like a, I don't know what you call this. But yeah, it's got that. Turn signals. Controls feel pretty nice. Not bad. Horn. It's a horn. And then over here on this handlebar, you can actually see there's the different speed settings here. So it's S, D, P, R. I know reverse has a reverse function. So I'm assuming that's like the lowest setting, and then D. So you can actually change it right here. And that's reverse. Okay, so let's see what it does. I'm gonna push the start button. Oh gosh. I'm also totally digging this non-existent choke here. They clearly repurposed a handlebar controls from something else. All right, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. We have somewhere to be, but that's the bike. Still things to work out. I don't know why it's flipping out and not starting, that kind of stuff. Again, I don't know how to use it. This is a completely new area for me. I've only worked with traditional bikes, gasoline engines, and so they all function similarly. This one is completely different. I guess I have parking lights on. I don't know. Anyway, that's the bike. My thoughts on it is you can definitely tell it's Chinese made. It's definitely not quite as well put together as like a Japanese, like a Yamaha or a Honda, one of the name brands that's DOT approved and all those kind of things. But it's still definitely not horrible. So next video, I'm gonna actually try to ride this thing, or at least figure out how to get it working. And so stay tuned. It's gonna be exciting, and I'm super stoked. Like nobody's done this before. So this is exciting, and it's gonna go cool places. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.